What do you never hear from online marketers bragging about results? How much money they spent getting those results. In any business, the goal is the same: net profit. Yes, it's nice to make $1,000 in sales in a day, but not if it costs you $1,200 to make those sales. Whatever you're promoting online, affiliate offers, physical goods, or even products from your own local store, you just need two things to profit: traffic and leads. Get prospects in the door, turn them into interested leads, then market to them to convert them into buyers. This is exactly what massive companies like Apple, Amazon, and Netflix do. It's also how online marketers like Frank Kern, Russell Brunson, and Tai Lopez have built seven-figure empires. So here's the thing: any business has certain fixed costs, tools needed to drive traffic and sales. But in digital marketing, we often forget about these costs because they don't seem like very much at the time. It's not like we're building a brick-and-mortar store, paying a lease, and buying thousands in inventory, right? So we shrug off the cost of the tools we're told are essential. Autoresponder for $50 per month? No problem. Push notification software to connect with prospects for $99 per month? Done. Page building software to create offers and sites? $297 per month seems fair. Add these up and you're looking at hundreds of dollars in fixed cost per month before you've made a single sale. Suddenly, even $1,000 sales days are essential just to break even. What if your overhead costs were slashed to zero? Imagine having access to all the tools you needed to profit online without paying for them, and turning every single sale into 100% pure profits? What sounds like a dream is actually a reality, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. After spending close to $1,000 per month on basic essentials to run our online businesses, we looked at ways to cut costs and found, after intensive research, completely free softwares that did the same job or better, including a free page builder with all the features of softwares charging hundreds of dollars per month, multiple push notification softwares with free account allowances, a quality email autoresponder that lets us send unlimited emails without paying any cost per subscriber. Almost overnight, our $1,000 monthly overhead was cut to zero, but we were skeptical. How could completely free tools perform as well or better than those costing hundreds of dollars per month? So we tested them, and here are just some of the results. One traffic and lead campaign drove over 100 new email subscribers, 125 push notification leads, and $372.76 in affiliate commissions. We tried again with another new campaign and banked over $485.69 in commissions. With free tools, we've been making pure profits. Seemed too good not to share. So we combined these zero-cost softwares with our unique twist on traffic and list building to develop an all-in-one profit system for anyone. Welcome to Traffic Multiplier, your traffic and profit triple threat solution. Overnight, you'll be building two types of lists at the exact same time. Get paid as you build those lists and tap into multiple platforms to maximize long-term profits. Here's how. First, inside the members area, you'll get insider access to the exact free tools we use to drive traffic and leads. These are hard to find, but you'll get direct links to each software. Second, we'll walk you through the simple steps to use these free tools to drive free traffic, generate leads, and profit from whatever you're promoting. Third, we'll show you exactly how to scale to life-changing income, but only once you're already making money. We're handing you a proven online income system where you pay no cost up front. Every lead, sales, and commission means pure profits because the tools you use cost $0. You'll effortlessly build powerful lists on two top converting platforms: email, generate targeted lists of email subscribers, and enjoy the highest ROI possible in online marketing. Push notifications. Get nearly 95% open rates on every message you send. Then, we'll show you how to plug the common traffic leak by reconnecting with page visitors that don't subscribe the first time and turn these visitors into buyers for pennies on the dollar. Traffic Multiplier is your all-in-one traffic and profit solution. The included methods and free software put the highest possible profits in your pocket. Tested and proven, not just by us, but by dozens of demanding marketers. You'll see their actual feedback just below this video message. You'll hear in their own words how Traffic Multiplier is the ultimate profit tool by eliminating costs and maximizing sales. During this special launch celebration, we're including multiple bonuses to take your results to the next level. These are only available during the launch period, and you don't want to miss out on them. Your one-time cost has been steeply discounted during this launch. Get access to everything, the softwares, and step-by-step training for less than the cost of a takeout lunch. And if you're on the fence, no worries. You get 30 full days to try out Traffic Multiplier for yourself, risk-free. If for any reason you're not happy, your money back. That's how confident we are this will work for you. Log in, grab the free softwares, copy the simple steps inside, and make money. If not, you don't pay a dime. Traffic and leads, they're all you need. What you don't need is to pay for flashy softwares, charging you hundreds per month. The zero-cost solution for unlimited profits is waiting for you below. Check out all the details below. Pay special attention to the proofs and feedback from real users. Then lock in your discount now, and we'll see you on the inside.